Hello, and thank you so much for joining me today for another exciting episode of unboxing. This is Maxilimite. Today, as you can see, this is a pretty big box that came in the studio, and I will do the unboxing for you. So first thing first, if you have not yet subscribed, just go down below and click the subscribe button. It will take you only 1 second, and that will help the channel a lot. That will help me to continue bringing you amazing content that you like every single time. And if you're a returning subscriber, I really appreciate the support. This means a lot to me. Alright, without further ado, as you can see, we have a big box. Like I was saying, I will not tell you what is in the box yet, but you probably have an idea based on the title of this video, right? So but still, we are going to do this unboxing together, okay? That's what I like to do, to bring you amazing content that we can unbox together. I would like to do a live video one time where we unboxed it together. That will be coming in shortly, okay? All right, that being said, let's get cracking. Okay, so let's start here. Like I said, this is a really big box. It was even tough for me to bring it into the office today, but I made it, and I'm so excited because whatever is in there is going to be an amazing and expensive device. Trust me on that. As you can see, the box is big and then it's brand new, so we do need to actually cut it. So again, I have my friend here. Kids, if you're watching this video, do not play with knife. It's very important. Always have an adult supervision before handling a knife. It can be very dangerous, okay? All right, let's start. I'm gonna cut it. I'm just so excited to unbox this today. This is the most expensive thing that I've ever unboxed on this channel here. So alright, let's put the knife on the side. Oh, it looks like we have a box in the box. So we will have to remove it. I'm alone again today in the studio. I hope that I can remove it. Whew. No, it's too heavy. Very heavy. So I'm gonna try to turn it over without breaking it. This is just too big to do it by myself. All right, let's do it. Sometimes you need help to do some unboxing here. Let's slowly lift it up. Trust me, it's heavy, very heavy. Gonna hide it from you. All right, there we go. Let me put the box aside. And ladies and gentlemen, this is it. I don't know if you can see it yet in front, but let me lift it up and see. Okay, are you ready? So as you can see, it's an Alienware PC, a gaming desktop, another one. All right. So anyway, as always, we are gonna go around the box and see what basically is around the box. Okay, so in front here basically it looks like it's the bottom of the box. No, this is the top and this is the bottom. So we're gonna bring it down like this, and we have the mighty alien. You know, maybe we are not alone on this earth. Maybe there's already some alien around us and we don't know it. But that was just a quick joke, okay? Don't be scared. I'm sure there's no alien around on this earth. But I kind of believe that we are not alone in this universe. But anyway, until someone proves it, we are alone, right? Let's continue. Again, I'm gonna need my friend. I think I should name this, huh? Let me know in the comment down below what I should name this knife. Maybe, you know, everything has a name, right? So maybe give me a name. Put it in the comment down below so we can discuss about it, and I'll pick a winner. Actually, the name that I like the most, I'm gonna name this knife with it. Let's start. All right, I'm gonna cut it up. Oh, I was actually supposed to do the tour of the box, but I'm so excited. I'm gonna skip it. Make it quick. Okay, here, as you can see, we have some specs. Okay, don't know if you can see it. Okay, we have the Rode X1X and 2. We have RGB for sure. DDR4 RAMs, 14x USB 2. What is this? 14x USB, 2x USB Type C. Don't tell me they have 14 USB on this thing. It's gonna be insane and sick. Alright, I think that's it. I'm done with the box. I'm just so excited, really. Alright. Okay, so I'm sorry the box is so big. I don't have too much space in the studio. That's why I'm doing the unboxing like this. Otherwise, I'll be putting a camera on top here. But really, I cannot do that because I'm alone, so it's gonna be difficult for me to do it. But I'll show you every single thing that comes out from this box. Let's start. First thing we have looks like it's a keyboard. Okay, it's a very simple keyboard. We are gonna open this later on. I'm gonna put this on the side and continue. Inside as well, we do have a power cable. As you can see, just a simple power cable. And we do have a mouse. As you can see, a simple mouse. And we have some paperwork, something that nobody ever read, but again, is important. If you have never used a computer before, you should read it. All right, that is it. All those 3 small things came from this gigantic box. I don't know why someone will waste this much, paper or cardboard for just two small stuff, the keyboard and the mouse, right? This is insane. Okay, forget about it. And what I'm seeing inside of this box, trust me, it is phenomenal. Where do I start? Really? You know what? What am I gonna do? I have to take it out. Oh, this is sick. This is very sick. Are you ready? Let's do it. Oh, this is insane big. This is very big, like extremely big. Oh. Oh man. Oh man. This blowing my mind. I've never unboxed anything like this before. The size of this, at the first look, it looked like a PS5 with the white color, but I trust me, it's not a PS5. Okay, it's not PS5, but whew, I don't even know where to start, man. I don't know where to start. All right, let's do it. It's very heavy, so I have to be very careful here. Okay. Okay, take this out, and I take this out. And ladies and gentlemen, we do have the Alienware gaming PC. Ta-da! Okay, I think at this point I do have to move the camera so you guys can have an idea of the beauty of this PC. Honestly, it's simply amazing. Oh man, this is expensive. It's very expensive, but from the look of it, it's phenomenal. I don't even know the specs of this PC yet. That's why we need to do this together. We need to go deeper, even inside of the computer, and see what is inside. This is gonna be a series of videos that you don't want to miss. It's important for you to subscribe if you want to see whatever's coming. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move the camera a little bit forward, and then we're gonna see a close-up look of this gaming PC. Okay, I'll be right back. So as you can see in front of it, we do have, anyway, let's not talk yet. Let's just enjoy the beauty of this PC. Okay, This is amazing. My main concern here yet is maybe the vent, how the heat is gonna come out from it, right? As you can see, they were not wrong when they said a lot of USB. Look at all these holes, like, damn it. We have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 USB at the back. This is insane, very insane. And you have the graphic card, power supply, and this is the Alienware Aurora R12. This is a beast. Okay guys, this is an amazing PC, and I believe we have the RTX GeForce 3080 inside. I could be wrong, but we are gonna find out. Okay. Woo. And I mean, that's it. Basically everything else is inside of it. Okay. This is, and we have another USB 1, 2, 3 in the front, one USB type C, headphone and microphone, and then I guess the vent where the air is gonna get in from, right here. Okay, like I said, I mean, there's nothing else to see. It's just beautiful. It's huge, but for the box it's not that huge. Again, we have some vents here. Again, I don't know really, it looks like it's very closed. And then the air, I hope the air can get out and get in. And guys, this is it. Okay, all right, so again, as you can see, we have a couple of other things that I really does not know. Again, we have so many USB there. I don't know why we need all that for. I will be, let me see if I can be able to open the case. I don't know yet. I really have to dig in this, and then we can do it. I don't know. I've never used an Alienware before, but from the look of it, it's just phenomenal. Okay. All right. I don't know what else to tell you. Okay. This is a Intel Core i7, as you can see, and this is just beautiful. Okay. I mean, the unboxing experience of this PC is just unique. I don't know if I can ever unbox something like this. I will let you know the price tag down below. And this is actually a series of couple of unboxing. Okay, this is my third PC that I'm unboxing this month. I picked this up recently. It was a good deal on it for the Black Friday. I decided to show you guys how this looks like. Obviously, we are going to turn it on and see how things are going to be. But yeah, it's amazing. Enough talking. Let's power this on and see how the RGB lights will be. Okay. All right. I have the power cable. Let's open this up. I'm gonna quickly turn it on and then see what the light will be. Okay. Here we go. It's not that long. Maybe 1 meter. Let me plug it in. Let me plug it in here first. Then we can continue. Okay, it's plugged in, and then let's find the power button. Okay, I don't know where the power button is, honestly. Is it this one? Oh no! It is the head. Oh, it turned back off. No, it's working. Oh, it was sick. This was the power button. Can you believe it? That head. Oh my. Okay, I don't see any RGB light yet. Okay. I don't know. Yeah, it's turning. Okay. This was not what I was expecting, but normally with my other PC, I could directly see the light, but all right, maybe we do need a monitor to be able to to check this out. So I'll be right back. So it looks like we are gonna have to set it up before we can see the beautiful RGB light that is inside of the computer. So what I did is I decided to bring in my old monitor and then the mouse, and then I will show you the keyboard that came with it. Is just like a one basic keyboard, where we are gonna put it here right now. And yeah, we have to set it up, unfortunately, before we can see the beauty. My old videos was, as soon as I turn it on my other PC, the RGB light automatically shows up. But in this case, we do not have it. I'm gonna plug it in, and then we have it. It's a really decent keyboard. I like it. It's basic, but it's very big and solid. Okay, there we go. This is the setup. This is very basic setup for the moment. I have a big monitor, which is a 4K. I'm gonna see how it will work out. Again, I don't want this video to be long right now. This is the first setup of the Alienware Aurora R12. Sorry. On my next video, we are gonna set it up and go deeper inside and see the specs, and then play some games, and then see how it will perform, the frame rate and stuff like that. Okay, if you want me to do any gaming or any setup, anything you want with this PC, let me know in the comment down below. My next video should be coming up shortly, so make sure you subscribe, stay tuned, and comment down below. If you have not yet watched my previous Asus computer, which has the GeForce RTX 3070, check on the card right here, or probably right this way. Okay, well, this is Maxilimite signing out.